लाइव स्ट्रीम चालू हो गया है, चलो थोड़ा सा लीड कोड करते हैं दोस्तों। बरस बरस काली बरस। Let's go. Okay, I'm wearing a fucking ghost report. Problem of the day. So we have the question here called rotating the box. The given M and N matrix of characters, box grid representing a side view of the box. Each cell of the box is one of the following. What do we call this thing? Hashtag, right? Hashtag. And the third one is empty dot. The box is rotated 90-degree clockwise, causing some of the stones fall due to gravity. Okay, the stone will come at the bottom then. Since the stone can't float, do we need to check if on the gravity the stone are floating or it's falling down? So they have given me like each stone falls down until it lands on the obstacle. Another stone or bottom of the box, gravity does not affect. The obstacle positions inertia. Shit, bro, physics. I so fucking weak in physics. Inertia. I guess this is something called for momentum or moment. Movement, I guess. Yup. Energy. Okay. Inability to move. Shit, bro. I thought like it's something similar to moving. All right. We have something called as inertia, and we have something called as gravity. The gravity, you know, right? Due to which we are able to walk on the earth. So we can skip this part, and now we can just focus on this thing. Affects the obstacle position and the inertia. So inertia means inability to move. From the box rotation does not affect the stone horizontal positions. It is guaranteed that each stone in the box grid rests on the obstacle. Okay, the stone can only be on the obstacle, so it needs some surface to stand. I guess. I mean, keep the stone on some surface. So another stone or bottom of the box, written M n into M matrix representing the box after rotation described above. So imagine if something is empty in middle, this is like nothing here, I guess, empty. Whenever it is empty, then it will float in the air. So empty will move here, and what else? The stone will fall down. So the stones are hashtag, I guess. Hashtag for hashtag it will fall down. Now what the hell is this, bro? For single thing you can do this. Okay, we need to think more. We need to think more. This is not like we can't directly brute force, I guess. This is a little bit complicated. How is this even working? To add this thing and it become this. Oh, we only need matrix, 2 pointers, and arrays to complete this question. But this is L6 level question. So what are the hint they have given? Rotate the box using the relation rotated box of I. Box of yeah. Any captain by right now I've not reached the DP topics वगैरह like I'm currently on the link place that to basic so I don't know much about the DP and stuff bro so I'm really sorry if you want to know about DP you can join my Discord where people are a bit pro I guess here I don't know you can check here if you want so what about this question man I can't even understand they have given me empty boxes so this was supposed to be the empty I guess the dot one and what is this is this stone if this is stone shit what is the second hint start iterating from the bottom of the box for the each empty cell check if any stone above it with no obstacles between them no obstacles between them you mean this thing is this obstacle we have a stationary obstacle okay the star means stationary obstacle so where is the stone stone is a hashtag okay I think this is the star I guess and my stone is supposed to be the hashtag so this will be stone so let me see here we have three things and for empty it is blank and for the stone we have double hashtag so for this thing it should be star okay now I understand so what are they doing this will be my stone and this will be empty and this will be my no sorry this will be my yeah this will be my stone and this will be empty and this will be my what the hell am I making mistake no star is supposed to be obstacle so this is my stone empty obstacle empty same goes here stone stone obstacle empty how do we solve this and we are getting the output like double stone one empty sorry one stone one empty double stones so what do we need to see is like if the stone is in the air then we at least need one of the mm obstacle in between them to retain their position in the air or like in the grid so as we can see here we have one two three four so this is starting from ground level so we don't need the support here so this is kind of arranged in a proper order I guess and for this thing we have the stone here in middle so after that we were able to arrange the stones I mean sorry what is this three stones yes three stones in the order since this is the amount of thing we can store here so if we had one more here then we could have done again one more here since we had one more space here so if we don't have the stone here if we had the stone here then sorry the obstacle here okay the obstacle so my obstacle would be starting from here and my stone will be from like from here and so on here like we are getting the empty thing in between they told me like you can't keep the empty thing in middle I guess the box is rotated 90-degree clockwise causing some of them obstacles okay I understand good question I guess I know back here since we are piling up everything I don't know like but they have given me like we can only use I mean the topic we need to know is like array two pointers and matrix I don't think we can use the stack here any captain what you can do is like you can join the Discord bro you can get the stuff there is my nightbot not working here what the hell maybe due to the participation okay who can post where is the okay my bot is working I'm fine How are we supposed to arrange this, bro? What the fuck? If I make it a single array and I can't arrange it free, can't arrange it that array. Easy. Crazy question. If I rotate this thing in 90 degree, then my column should become row, right? Column will become row and yeah, column will become row and row will become column. That is what happening, right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will come here with all. Then okay, how it fall from here, bro? What the hell? I can't understand this thing. Okay, if we rotate this thing, let me copy the image. It's cat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 2 rows. Like 4 column. What will happen? There are 2 stones here. So stone, stone, and we have 2 more stones here. Here, this thing. It will come here. These 2 stones, and after that, how the hell did it come? Oh. Even if I rotate 90 degree, 90 degree is supposed to be like this, and my 180 degree will be like this, 360 will be like this. But since my 90, they have asked me for the 90 degree. When I do a 90 degree rotation like this, why is this empty here? Let us check the second test case, which is like fucking big hard. No, this is not the one. This is not the one. This is not the one. Is this the one? Oh my. Ah, this is the one. Let's go. Let's debug, debug, debug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 row. 2, 3. 3 rows. 3 rows and 6 columns. If I rotate this thing, if I rotating this thing, what will happen? Here we have empty space, so this will be ignored. Not ignored. It will go up above. Ah, I see. So the empty space is supposed to be above. If we have obstacle in between, the empty space can't go in top, I guess. So what is our catch here? You can have the stones that is supported by the obstacles. If there are no obstacles here and you have empty space, then this will float in the air and my stone will fall down. Twisted question. Is this supposed to be medium question? Or am I tripping right now? Start iterate with no obstacles between them. This is the major hint they have given us. Oh shit. Start iterating from the bottom of the box. So we have to do from end, I guess. If we do from the end, then we have what we need to check for empty cell, each empty cell. So they are representing the row, I guess. Each empty cell row, and what are they saying? Each empty cell check if there is any stone above it with no obstacles between them. Do we have any empty cell and there is a stone near it or like above it, also with no obstacles between them? Then my stone will fall down, otherwise my stone will float in the air. How much time did we take? I think I took 80 minutes to. Obstacle will be my star and empty will be like dot. And what is the catch here? I don't know if we can solve this question, but I'm trying to understand how to solve this. Since problem of the day is supposed to be hard, and I'm not so good with the lead code and stuff, so I don't think I'll be able to solve completely without any help of yours, I guess, guys. If you wanna collab with me on the lead code live collaboration, you can join with the link, bro. Why the fuck it's taking so much time? Oh shit. Oh, is this functionality not working right now? What happened to this functionality? Invite the collaborators to code together on the problem, and collaboration can last up to 3 hours. Then why is this not working? Should I stop this stop work? Shit! My collab button is gone. Where is my code? What the hell is happening with LeetCode? What the fuck, bro? Oh god, what the hell is happening with me? I see my internet is tripping right now. Nah, it is giving like 30 to 40 Mbps megabytes per second. What is the download speed? Why is the LeetCode is not even loading? Oh shit, here we go till 6 MB, bro. That is what I pay you. You give me only 3 MB 40. Boom, we are done. LeetCode is down, bro. What the fuck? LeetCode is down. Who killed LeetCode? किसने मार दिया भाई LeetCode को? What the hell, bro? It is down. Ah, see. आजा भाई. Nikhil bro, come on. Let's solve together. Come up with a solution. उसने क्या क्या बताया था? Like, I'll be speaking in Hindi as well as English. Arey, you don't have to delete, man. It's okay. It's okay, bro. It's okay. You don't have to delete messages. Lead code was down. Lead code was down. Yeah. Do you want to join the code here? Right now, I'm just doing here the problem. So the question is rotating the box. I will just explain you if you guys are new here. So they're saying is we will have an something called a stone, which is this blue thing. We have the where is the expiry drop? Okay, this is the one we call a stone here, and this is empty. Imagine this as air or like null something does not carries anything or don't have something like that. Bro, why are you deleting the messages, man? It's okay, bro. You don't have to delete any messages. It's okay. I'm not gonna say you anything. So we have air here, and this is stone, not stone, some kind of slab. You know slab, right? How do I explain this thing? Have you played Minecraft ever in your life? Have you ever played Minecraft? So this is what we call a slab. Slab is like shelf to retain the things. I mean to keep them. How do I say this thing though? I can't even explain. Okay, imagine this as a shelf where you're arranging all this thing, and this is like zero gravity thing. There is no gravity here. So what they're saying is like to retain the stones, you either have to have an obstacle below the stone, otherwise they will fall down. As you can see here, since we don't have any slab here, so all the stones uh, fall one by one in the order. If we had one more, if we had one slab here, it can't go above that. Imagine this as opaque thing. You know opaque, right? Opaque is like completely non-transparent thing. Opaque, you right? Opaque, yeah. Opaque, you mean? Yeah, that you can't see through or you can't pass through. Um, so this is opaque thing. You can't go. Also got trapped here. If we don't have a slab and we have only stones, then what will happen is like the stones will fall one by one here, and the air will go on the top. So this will become air, air, and if there is no slab, we are removing the slab from here. So we'll have one stone, two stone, and three stone. This is how they have explained the question. So we have to find the answer for this thing. What is a lead code ID? Bro, my lead code ID sucks, bro. So why the fuck are you deleting the messages? Why? Why are you like this? You don't have to delete the messages, man. The fuck? Okay, if no slabs in between, no slabs obstacles. Bro, I don't know if I can solve this question, but I'm just trying my best. Since I'm a fucking newbie, I don't think I will be able to solve this completely without this mat. I don't know. Oh, this even came in the contest. Well. And if no slab is there, that then the stones falls. And what was the third condition? Empty will float if no slab. Obstacles in between. Or slabs. If slabs and stones are above, then it won't fall down. It will be on the slab itself. One upon one. Okay, we have the conditions. We have what are the test cases we need to do for this thing. Now only we have to write the code. Then we start writing the code. Are we supposed to do something else? Am I even going in the right direction? Can you guys guide me? If you guys are pro or I mean on the pro with the understanding of this question, I might be able to solve it on my own after that. Since this is what I understood from the question, if this is wrong, please let me know. Because I don't want to waste more time going in a wrong direction. You want my lead code ID, bro? What the fuck? There is nothing in my lead code, bro. Bro, this is fucking down, still down. Lead code is still down. Why lead code is down? Oh, one. Oh, lead code was down from 1 hour. So what we are going to do right now? Yes, facing the same issues, can't test my code. My bad, I had one too many clearly today. Was trying to submit. I think there is too much load on this server, I guess. They should have been implementing the load balancers. This shouldn't be issue since this is a big company. Oh, this is a fucking ID. Why the fuck you need my ID, bro? Why are you so obsessed with my ID? There's nothing in my fucking ID. Shit. When the hell did when the hell did I do dynamic programming? Is this because I did not use a dynamic programming but I solved it in a different way? I don't know fucking dynamic programming. This is I use a brute force way of like the arrays and pointer stuff. I don't have to explain you guys since you guys are like pro, I guess. I don't know how will I approach this thing right now. We are given a matrix. We are given a matrix. We have to check. Um, I am jobless. I belong to jobless category. Rotating 90 degree gives the same thing. Only thing happens is the air goes on the top and the stone falls if there is no slab in between there. Hmm, how do I write this thing in the code now? Fuck, bro. Does anyone wants to join me? Why is nobody joining me? Am I so that bad? Bro, bro, you guys, can you suggest me the playlist for the Matrix? Since I'm not good with the 2D Matrix and stuff, bro. I did for the rotation thing, 90-degree rotation I could do. Since we have to only, what do you say, we have to make the column as row and row as column, I guess. But the stone and air thing, I need to modify my whole logic itself. Guess one. What is this? Can only view. Why? I'm giving a permission to write everything. Why I can't do anything? Oh, you're not using the LeetCode. Yes, I am using only JavaScript. You can roast me. You can roast me since I'm not a C++ guy. You can roast me since I'm not a Java guy. I use JavaScript for the DSA. You can mock me. I don't care. I don't care if you mock me. It doesn't matter, man. Like if you learn DSA, then you can shift on the different language, I guess. It doesn't matter. Once you learn how to do DSA, then I think learning language might be taking like only 1 week or 2 weeks, I guess. After that, you will be pro in both languages then. Since I'm a full stack developer, so I'm just using. Yeah, I'm a full stack developer, so I'm just improving my JavaScript as well as my DSA. So if I do DSA more in JavaScript, then I might be getting my hands dirty even more in the JavaScript. Then. So interviewer might be asking me to do in JavaScript, then what the fuck am I supposed to do, bro? I have to learn JavaScript, right then. I mean, to do DSA in JavaScript, not learn JavaScript. Yo, why the hell are you deleting the messages? How do I disable this thing? I don't want the people to delete the messages. You're looking for the Node.js playlist. I think you can go with the. I think you can go with the Chai code. You know Hitesh sir, right? Chai code. I have learned from there. I have learned from there. I think I learned last year, I guess. You can learn from there. Hitesh sir, Chai code. Chai with code or chai code, I don't know, sorry. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, so I'm really sorry. But I'm just hinting you. You can just Google it or like you can go on the YouTube and type chai code, then you might be getting the playlist shape, who is also good. If you want to learn JavaScript and sorry, you want to learn React, right? You can even check Sangam Mukherjee on the YouTube. That guy is OP legend, bro. He creates so much big playlists. You can find all the projects related to the React, Next.js, and even everything like security, Node.js, DevOps, everything. He covers everything. And what is the plus point is like he teaches in the English, so you can like it is language friendly for every people. How many days can I do it? I think it will take more than 2 to 3 months for getting your hands dirty on the React itself. And for Node.js, it might be taking more than 2 to 3 months again. Then I think it will take around 7 months, 6 to 7 months, if you want to learn properly. If you want to just go with the vague knowledge, then I think it will take only 2 to 3 months. I'm not talking about the DSA here, since I'm not a fucking pro in DSA. Uh, I'm knowledgeable in the development part, so I'm just telling you that it might be taking you around 2 to 3 months. If you want to learn basics, a 1 month interview ready. No, in 1 month you can learn for the interview, but you won't. How do I say that? You can't survive in the startup or like in the company, since you can't do anything what you learn from 1 month. You need to give more time, bro. Writing only components is not only about the reacting. You have more things there. You have to see the rendering is happening properly, and you have to manage the load and everything, and also you have to maintain the UX UI. You can't learn all those things in 1 month, but you can start with the basic. Yeah, I'm trying for the good offer. Since I'm not getting a good offer, so I'm just waiting for the good offer. So I'm just preparing for the DS in the I guess side by side. I'm not an engineering graduate. I did BCA, I guess. BCA does not comes under engineering, right? I'm not engineering graduate. I did BCA. BCA is like mostly computer application, I guess. No, I don't think it will take more than 50 days. Not at the level you're looking for. I'm looking for more than 10 LPA right now. So I don't think I will be able to do it within 50 days or something. I'm at least aiming for like 5 LPA for now. Then I will just do along with my job and everything. Then I will keep pushing myself. But let me focus on the code, bro. What the fuck? I just got distracted so much. Oh shit. You know the job market is fucked up, bro. You can't say that thing right now. Since you know the condition of the job market right now. If you're not if you're not aware of the job market right now, you can Google it. I think you don't know about the job market since you are in the college, I guess. So why the fuck are you deleting the messages, bro? I hate this shit, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that, man. It gives me a negative impact on my channel. Please don't retract your messages. You are not leaking your personal infos like I do in my lying automatically. You are lying. See, if I'm typing, it's not getting deleted. What the fuck is it? Can I get a LinkedIn? There's nothing in my LinkedIn. What do you want to do with the LinkedIn? Bro, what the fuck? Everything is down or what? This is me, ugly me. This is ugly me. There is nothing in my LinkedIn profile, bro. You can't get anything there. You keep pushing yourself and connect with the people who are useful for you, not me. I'm not useful for you. Box is rotated 90 degree, then what will happen? My column will become row, column will become row, column will become row, column will become row. I need to swap, I need to swap. So let's write the code for the thing. Let row equals to MIT. I'm really sorry, like, what the hell is MIT? I have heard about the IIT. Is it something similar? Manipal. Oh, you're from Manipal. Okay. Damn, I'm doing the same thing, bro. We have. Do you have the job fair there after a few days? I guess on the 16th May. I guess since they're running some job. What do you say the thing? Job hunt or something? Oh yeah. Um, Born in Bihar, but currently in Chennai. You're asking for the state, right? It's Tamil Nadu, southern part of India. So we're doing something, bro. What the hell? I'm getting distracted, bro. So this will be my row. Row will go till end of the matrix. Okay, this is not matrix. This is called box grid. Not Karnataka. I said Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I said Chennai. Chen. Sorry, Chennai. This will go till my row will go till my. Should it be column? I think first one will be column, right? Column will go from 0 till end of the column should go till my box grid dot length. I can do length on the matrix, right? I need a playlist for the matrix, bro. If you can suggest me, please suggest. I will be really thankful for you guys. I just need a playlist for the my row will start from what? It will also start from 0 and row will go till end of the box box grid of row, I guess. Who is Vinay Mishra? Do they teach the DSA in pseudo form or like in the language based? Since I'm not aware of C++ much, so I won't be watching the tutorial much. I think most of the people doing DSA in C++, so I don't know C++ much. I have bit knowledge of C++. Ah shit, Python, bro. Check elegant engineer. No college. No college. I am job hunting. I'm hunting HRs for job. If you guys can help me, it will be really helpful. But I don't think you guys can help me. I mean, you can help me with the DSA, but I don't think you can help me with the job hunt. If you have any tips, you can share. Since I fucking really need a job right now, bro. It's been a month now. I got an offer, but they were only paying me. I will be really, really honest right now. On the first job, since it was my first job, so I just accepted whatever they gave me. So, well, they gave me around 2.6 LP, I guess.